and move on into the next presentation, which will come from our property managers intern, Igustin Prawiranata, or we usually call him as Radit. Hello, Radit. Are you here with us, Radit?
Yeah, hello, Kak Furkan.
Radit, okay. So, are you ready for your presentation?
Yeah, sure. I'm very ready for the presentation today. As you can
Okay.
see, maybe
Yes. Okay. So please confirm this is the your deck, right? Your presentation deck, correct?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Now you can take the floor, Radit. The floor is yours, and good luck with your presentation.
Okay, thank you for the time. And also, good morning, everyone. How's it going? I hope you are doing well and welcome to my presentation as a property manager intern in the Okay, for the next slide. So yeah, my name is Igustin Raditya Prawiranat. So my major is engineering in university, and then I am a property manager intern. And maybe I have some of backstory regarding my intern period. Actually, in the early of my intern program, I'm as a hosting team, but I believe Kamarsa as my mentor actually know my capacity to assign me to the property manager and yeah, relate to my major, right? And then maybe for the next slide. Okay, today I'm going to embark on a detailed journey into the world of property management through the lens of an insider at Bukit Vista. This is presentation will unfold in three compelling chapters. For the first one is we will dive into the project, operations, and legacies. So we will explore like the concrete of initiative and operational strategies that have been implemented to enhance property management service. We will look at specific projects that have left lasting legacies and setting new standards for excellence in industry. And then for the next one is things what I have learned, right? Like this segment is an amalgamation of insights and knowledge gained from hands-on experience in the field. Maybe I will present like lessons and have shaped our approach to property management. And yeah, so I can apply to create thriving property with satisfied guests. So for the last personal thoughts, I will reflect on personal thoughts like this section, sharing my thoughts and reflection, offering a personal perspective maybe for property management journey, and then for my mentor, my supervisor, or my property manager colleague, and then I can understand how this experience has influenced personal growth for me, especially and professional development. So yeah, for the next slide, maybe Furkan. Okay, so welcome to my insightful exploration actually of the dynamic roles play at property manager intern at Bukit Vista. As I navigate through this presentation, I will unveil the key responsibility like innovative project that the bedrock of our property management excellence. So for the first one, I have operation. Like let me explain regarding villa operation. Regarding villa operation, in this role, an intern is entrusted with the meticulous oversight of the daily operation, right? From ensuring the operational efficiency to enhancing guest comfort, right? And then I play a pivotal part in upholding the promise of excellence and actually following the or daily plan. And then for the second one is housekeeper manager. Yeah, as an intern, as property manager, I turn our focus for housekeeping management. This is a critical function, involves the careful coordination and training our housekeeping staff. And as a property manager, I'm not only responsible regarding cleanliness and also presentation of our property, but also for fostering a collaborative environment where every team member can excel. I learned the nuance of team leadership, quality control, and guest satisfaction, so while ensuring that our property are nothing short of immaculate like that. And then for the last, I have villa project. Yeah, this is what I got and then what I enjoy during my internship program as a property manager because the final segment we will discussing regarding villa project. I'm given the unique opportunity to lead and contribute to projects that leave lasting legacies. Whether implementing sustainable practice, introducing innovative technology maybe, and I'm encouraged to bring fresh ideas to the table to the Kak Marcel or Kak Kaila when I want to improve the villa, and then I would like to provide some service maybe, and then I would like to install something regarding improvement in the villas. And then I play a key role in the project planning and then execution and evaluation, and then ensuring that each initiative aligns with our strategic objective and contribute to the enrichment of our property portfolio. Yeah, so you can slide maybe. All right, thank you. Here's the details of villa operation. So for the bin A, I have supervising, housekeeping, ensuring maintenance and cleanliness. As you can see, I have assisting the photo shoot session that I want to how to take a photo and then how regarding the angle maybe and then discuss with the photographer. This is Kak Abayu. And then ensuring guest. So I tell Kak Marcel regarding my mentor and my supervisor. It is my idea regarding the butler service. So they approve and then they give me opportunity regarding the butler service. So I hire some butler and then they want to join to the Vista. And then for the option C regarding vendor collaboration, we have like pest and termite control, so eco for pest. So actually regarding the villa operation, I usually like when I discuss regarding with the construct Bali. So the construct Bali is construction experts. So because this vendor actually related with my major, yeah, they contributing regarding creating space that are both beautiful and practical. Yeah, just like it for the discussion with the construct Bali. So here's a lot of partner that I contact them every day actually to the maintenance or the service control maybe. Yeah, just like that. Thank you. So maybe you can next for the slide regarding housekeeper manager. For the housekeeper manager, as a property manager intern at Bukit Vista, actually not only handle property, but we have to handle or manage the housekeeper. So like housekeeper leaderboard, like Dinda said before Bifigo adoption morning briefing. As you can see in the blue one, I inspect the adoption from one of our housekeeper. So they said ready, 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 and I said to the housekeeper, thank you for the information. So I can inspect into the picture. And then for the morning briefing, actually for the morning briefing, just the steps for the day ahead of like fostering a culture of excellence and accountability, right? And then for the cleanliness rate, yeah, for the cleanliness rate, actually the daily task for the housekeeper to the ensure high cleanliness. And then for the B, point B, alignment, housekeeper and property manager. Yeah, between housekeeper and property manager is crucial, I think. It ensures we all work toward the same goal, right? Guest satisfaction. We are in synchronized, whether it's managing schedule, handling specific requests, like that, and then ensuring a seamless experience. So for the point C, directing housekeeper job description like Bifigo training, guest inspired delight, and GX5 training. What is Bifigo training? So for the new housekeeper that join Bukit Vista, I do Bifigo training to the housekeeper. And then yeah, as you can see, this is the picture of all hands part of the housekeeper. Yeah, this is the blue training and GX5 training. What is GX5 training? Is guest experience standard for the all housekeeper in. So ensure our team not only meets but exceeds the expectation of our guests through exceptional service. So yeah, for the guest inspired delight, I tell the housekeeper to give inspired delight to the all of our guests, like maybe like smile or services, help other, help themselves, just like that. And yeah, maybe for the next slide, Kafurkon. This one for project. As you can see, I provide with the three picture like improvement. For the first one, continuous improvement is like at the heart of what I do. Always seeking ways to enhance the aesthetic and functionality of our villas, from the bedroom to the balcony, like every upgrade meticulously plan and execute to ensure that our properties not only meet but surpass the expectation of our guests and stakeholders. And then for the second one, quality check. This is the important thing. Quality check. I always inspect for the quality check property regarding the rain season. So that's why I have to renovation regarding the wood deck because we are starting for the rain season. Yeah. So the quality is non-negotiable. I think I conduct through quality check to ensure that every aspect of the villa, from the comfort of the beds, maybe the stability of the decking, address to our standards. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about refining every detail to achieve perfection, right? And then for the last one, I have proposing ideas for villa. Yeah, you can see this is the bedroom before the transformation, and then the below one, this is the picture after the improvement, I think, the project. So I'm also actively involved in conceptualizing and implementing new ideas for the development. This involves brainstorming innovative solutions that can transform for the guest experience. Yeah. And then yeah, each project I undertake is a step towards like the redefining luxury and comfort in our properties. Yeah, maybe you can next slide. Yeah, so this is the result for my projection, like quality checks so, and improvement. So we provide butler service and then guest is delight. And also I tell the housekeeper to do not forget to say like leave us 5-star review to the guests so all the guests can give 5-star review on our properties. Okay, next maybe cover. Right, we start to the knowledge. Maybe during my time as a property manager intern at Vista, I have gained invaluable knowledge that has shaped my professional growth. For the first one is oversee property maintenance and communicate with owner. For the first one, oversee property maintenance is I've learned the importance of overseeing property maintenance. It's not just about fixing issue as they arise. It's about preventative measure and regular upkeep to ensure the properties remain at the peak of excellence. So the second one is communicate at the with the owner. Effective communication with property owner as model. I think I found my skills in articulating updates, negotiating improvement, and ensuring that owner are informed and engaged with the management process. Building trust and consistency has been key to strong relationship. Okay, this knowledge is things what I have learned. So the next one is soft skill. Yeah, I learned regarding the soft skill here, like critical thinking, leadership, responsibilities, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. What is critical thinking? What I have learned in Bukit Vista, I have learned to evaluate situation critically, considering various perspectives to make informed decision. I think this skill has been crucial when assessing property needs or resource guest needs. Yeah. For the leadership, like keeper management, I do with Katendi, property manager, my property manager colleague. I do every day regarding morning briefing for housekeeper. Yeah, thank you for Katendi. Always give the opportunity to me every morning briefing. I have to lead it. And then for the responsibility, I think juggling multiple responsibility has taught me the art of balance and prioritization and ensuring that every task is handled with the care it deserves. So the next one is teamwork. Teamwork has, yeah, I think illuminate the power of collaboration by combining diverse skills and insights. Yeah, I think we achieve more together than we could alone. With and then for problem solving and countering challenge has sharp my problem solving abilities, allowing to navigate obstacle with creative and determination. So for the last one is time management. Maybe regarding the timeline for the improvement, then I inform what else the vendor construction maybe because they have timeline, but we have to we or I give our timeline from my side maybe, but we have they have the timeline, so we can arrange the timeline together. Mastering time management has enabled me to efficiently allocate my hours to meet our high standard because of that of service and property care. It's all for soft skill, and then start for yeah. I learned regarding knowledge of materials because I learned and then discussing with the construction vendor regarding knowledge of material, so I know I yeah improvement regarding knowledge of material improvement. And then for the research, I think similar type with the knowledge of material because I have research and then use the GPT-4 and then ask them the better or the best solution with this material or this equipment. Yeah. And then for the vendor management, this is the part of I enjoy when I join. The effective vendor management has been critical for maintaining smooth operation. I have learned to negotiate contract, manage relationship, and ensure that our vendor meet our expectation for quality and reliability. And then budget management, yeah, regarding the project, actually, I arranged regarding the budget management too. I have also developed a sense for managing budgets, ensuring that every rupiah is wisely to maximize value for property and our guests. Yeah, that's all. And then the last one is basic technical understanding. Acquiring a basic technical understanding has allowed me to communicate effective with maintenance teams and understanding the intricacies of property upkeep. Yeah, these hard skills are the tools that empower me to contribute meaningful to our mission, delivering exceptional property experience. Okay, maybe you can next slide. Okay, so this is core value that I got from working as a property manager. This is so yeah, I think interest the value working as a property manager in Vista, I have embraced core values that are not only fundamental to our operation but also pivotal for personal development. That I feel I think. And then maybe for the core value help others to help themselves. I have learned the empowerment of enabling like others to solve problems independently, fostering resilient and capable team. And then for help others to help themselves, I have learned, sorry, maybe for don't assume use data, I have learned like adopt a data-driven approach, like making decision based on a solid data, based on the resource plan maybe, or SPI that Dinda give or deliver to me. And thank you, Dinda. And then for step on toes at Bukit Vista, the best ideas I am regardless the hierarchy. I think I have learned to voice my thoughts boldly and constructively, contributing to a culture that value every team member's input. And then detail matters. Attention to the detail matters has become second nature to me. Okay, I have recognizing that the smallest elements often make the biggest difference in the guest experience. And also, I have been transparent. Transparency has been my guiding principle. Yeah, I think that's the important thing for transparent for the partnership team, and then to the housekeeper maybe because I have to do like steering clear of like trust through open and honest communication. That's the important thing. So I have never settled. I have learned to see innovation as a journey, not a destination. Always seeking ways to enhance our service and operation. And then file fast. Yeah, this is the important thing too. I think embracing the fast-paced world of innovation. I understand that making mistake is part of the learning process, right? And it's vital to move forward quickly, learning from each experience. So the last one is be the hero. I strive to go above and beyond, acting with compassion and leadership to create memorable experience for our guests. So these core values have not only shaped my professional ethos, but also enriched my ability to contribute meaningfully to the hospitality community. Okay, maybe for the personal touch, I think that's my supervisor, my mentor, my property manager colleague, and then this is the right one is guest experience supervisor, and then I got feedback from Blikata too. So this is the left from left to right. This is Kamarcel. Kamarcel is my mentor. Thank you, Kamarcel, and then thank you, Kakaila, and then Katendi and my partner intern Dinda because they gave an amazing feedback, so I can improve not just in work but in person. That's also really fun enjoy in my internship program. I really enjoy work here because of the fun and everyday new experience, especially for from Marcel. Here I can share anything with the anyone that day by day impact in increasing not only my knowledge, also my skills. Yeah. Oh yeah. So for the personal thoughts, I think I reflect on the valuable journey. The experience actually has honed my expertise from operational strategies to guest satisfaction and project execution. And yeah, the core value of from empowering others to embracing innovation deeply influenced my professional ethos. Right. These lessons are now integral to my approach, guiding me toward future of growth and excellence in property management. Okay, maybe you can share next slide, Kafurkan. All right. So for everyone, thank you for the experience, knowledge, skill, and meaningful moment in Bukit Vista. I hope I can bring this experience to my future role. It has been a privilege, I think, privilege grow and contribute to the legacy of Bukit Vista. Thank you for your attention and engagement. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you very much, Radit, to give the very inspiring presentation. Let's give applause, guys, for this presentation here. Okay, thank you very much, Tanisma. Thank you, Josephine. Thank you, Nanda, for engaging. So, while on Dida's presentation that we call the representative from the university first, let's reverse that in this presentation. We seek the comments or the thoughts from the colleagues, from the mentors, so that also the university representative could also understand the different point of views. Okay, so I would like to call first Kak Tendi, as Radit mentioned here, as his property manager's colleague in Bukit Vista. Kak Tendi, I believe Radit has been working closely with you. What do you say about Radit as your colleague?
Okay, thank you Furkan for the time. Halo Radit, thank you for your effort for a few months ini. Very helpful since you've been able to handling the property. We feel together the how chaos the operational, but of course we have the 1 2 3 plan backup for that. And also good job for finding new vendor and then new candidate for the trial and housekeeping. That's really helpful for the full board operational. And the best one, it has been able to running or handling the onboarding usually, especially like Marlex and some Hatala and few property from the start until launching, and then with some innovation inside, and then the transformation of the property. That's really cool. So yeah, I think Adit would have a really good potential in the future for the managing. Just need to be learn more, and then using more AI for helping your work to make more efficient. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kak Tandy, for your words. Okay, now let's move forward to Kak Marcel as Radit's mentor here during the internship.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I cannot say nothing except great things from Radit because I believe managed from the screening till to the end. Supposedly because it was coming from Depok, but I believe the journey that we have passed together within the guest operations until moving into the partnership teams, resulting all great things. So hope everything that you have learned here can be useful into your next journey that I believe extension on Bukit Vista. So welcome back, Radit.
So lovely. Thank you very much, Kamars. But unfortunately, I believe Mr. Satvan already left the meeting room due to his business. Of course, Mr. Satvan would be very glad that actually one of his students actually got the job extending in the Bukit Vista, like before even graduating. So thank you very much, Kamarsel, for your words. And thank you very much, Radit, for presenting the presentation. Once again, let's give a big applause for Radit here. Okay. Yes, welcome, Radit. Thank you very much. Okay, let's move on into the next